Model, 2018 Volkswagen Crafter Startline County Route 35 long wheelbase, SHR front wheel drive 2.0 TDI 140 VAT included bargain. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 101136. MOT, the 22nd of March 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSEU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this will need the wiring loom replacing or repairing all of the electrical connection plugs seen to be corroded. We've had this running by probing the starter motor and spraying Easy Start. The engine sounds perfect. This is an absolute bargain for someone with the time to put it right, runs perfect on Easy Start. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,250 plus VAT. Click the link in the description.